Effortlessly turn natural language descriptions into 3D printable models with LexiCAD. This heater knob snapped off. Let's fix it with LexiCAD. I measured the shaft and the original knob to come up with a description. LexiCAD will also catch things you missed, like the width of the handle. And now LexiCAD does the rest. Here's the model it generated. It looks great. Let's print it. 25 minutes later, here's what we've got. It fits perfectly. No design experience needed. Now this is just one example. LexiCAD can design any replacement part, personalized object like this nameplate, custom containers like this vase, and anything that you can describe. It's not public yet, but I'm looking for early supporters to help shape what it becomes. If you'd use something like this, I want to hear your thoughts. Fill out the quick survey in the description and I'll keep you in the loop.